This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Brooke Conley. Relish in maintenance-free living when you step into this turnkey home in the heart of Kensington. Located in the heart of downtown Norfolk, this lovingly maintained home boasts over 2,300 square feet of functional living space. The first floor features a beautifully updated open kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. The main living space is complete with laminate floors, a gas fireplace, and French doors that open to the backyard, outdoor entertaining area. Upstairs features a spacious primary bedroom suite highlighted by cathedral ceilings, an ensuite bathroom, and a spacious walk-in closet. 3 large, additional bedrooms round out the second floor. All in all, with close proximity to Aju, shops, restaurants, military bases, and more, this home serves as the perfect urban oasis while being in close proximity to all Norfolk and Greater Hampton Roads has to offer. For more information, review the details below.